Hey guys, so for this lesson, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create your fenders and your lights on your car. Okay, so first off, let's do the fenders. So I'm going to start with the offset tool. So go ahead and click there. And you're going to go to your tires and you're going to go to the edge till it turns blue. Once you see that, you want to click it and you're going to expand it out to about 2.0, 1.5, depending on your car and depending how close you need to get. So I'm going to go to about 1.5. And again, I'm going off the numbers down here. Okay, so I'm going to do the next one here. And I'm going to go about 1.5 to go up, and there we go. Okay, so next thing I want you to do is really small, and you may not be able to see it, but you might, when you zoom in, you might see these little tiny lines here. Okay, you're going to need to go ahead and get the eraser tool and check for those, and you're going to need to erase them because they will mess up your car later on. So again, scroll through and see if you're seeing anything. You may need to get a little bit closer depending on how small or big that they are. Okay, and there we go, and then just zoom right back out. Okay, so now we're ready for the next section. Okay, so now we want to pull these out. So we're going to go to the push and pull tool, and you want to grab it and you want to push them out anywhere from 1.5 to 2.0. Okay, so let's see what looks pretty good here. I'm just going to do, there we go, 2.0 looks cool. And I'll do the other one, 2.0. Again, as long as they are the same, it should be about right. And again, this can kind of go up to personal preference here. And that looks cool. Okay, so next I am going to be showing you how to go through and we're going to add our lights to the front of our car and back of the car. Okay, so let's rotate around to the front, and depending on the style of your car, it may be a little different for everybody. So you may be able to do circle lights, you could do square lights. For the purpose of this one, let's just go and try circle lights. But again, this design is up to you, and this is where you can get very crazy cool with your design. So I'm just going to use the circle tool here to do a light, and then I can just kind of go ahead and push that in a little bit. That looks cool. If you want to do like a cool little grill, you can do so too. Again, remember, this is only half the car, okay? So we're only doing half of the design, so you're not going to do two lights, okay? So this can be like a cool little grill. Again, I'm just going to quickly fast forward through this and make a few cool little designs. That looks cool. And connect it here and there. And again, if you want, you can use the push and pull tool to kind of push it in, push it out, depending on how you kind of want it to look. Again, the design is up to you, okay? So again, you can do this all around your car. This is where you can do fun designs on the side of your car and the back of your car. Do not forget to actually do the back of your car. So if you want to do back windows here, I'm just going to do this, or excuse me, back lights. You can actually just either use your pencil tool or the square tool, depending on what you want. I just like to draw them very easily here. And again, you can kind of disconnect their lines. And if you want to do 2 or 3, depending on what you want your car to look like, we can go ahead and do that, okay? And same thing, you're just going to go ahead and kind of like push those in or push those out, depending on how you want it to look, okay? So just use the correct angles for it. I would suggest doing a couple more things on your car, and you need to actually do a couple of the following: either a grill, a hood scoop, a bumper, a spoiler, a license plate, and maybe possibly some exhaust pipes, okay guys? So again, this is where you're gonna get very crazy with your designs, and you can use all these tools to go ahead and make it as fun as you like. And you can do it anywhere on the car, the roof, the hood, the sides, your choice. All right guys, there you go, have some fun.